Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card slot, which is located right here. So what you do, you put this tool inside this hole next to the slot, slightly press it, and it pops out. Now we can eject it with our bare hands. So here you have like SIM slot 1, and here you have SIM slot 2, so let's put it in slot 1. And then back into our device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.